The roar of the engine, the sharp crack of timber splitting, and a cascade of sawdust filling the air. Welcome to today's exhilarating adventure. Prepare to be amazed as we dive deep into the raw power and precision of forestry like never before. Have you ever tried cutting down a tree? It's no easy task. Even with the best tools and plans, trees have a mind of their own. You think you're in control, but the tree always decides how and when it'll fall. Watch as things get unpredictable. Introducing the ultimate forestry dream team, the Kogan 718E and Woody H61. With the Kogan's incredible 13-meter reach and the Woody's unmatched chopping power, they're the perfect combination of efficiency and adaptability. Get ready to see them in action and revolutionize the way forestry is done. Feel that? That's the power of a Kenworth truck in all its glory. The deep rumble of the engine, the unbeatable strength, and the timeless durability. Kenworth was born to dominate the toughest terrain. It's not just a truck, it's a legend on wheels. Time is ticking. This tree is like a ticking time bomb, towering above but dangerously close to falling. It's a race against time, and we need to act before disaster strikes. Now, watch as we pull this massive stump from 1.5 meters underground. The stakes couldn't be higher, and every second counts as we try to prevent a potential catastrophe. Get ready to be blown away. This small but fierce ATV is about to haul massive logs with a powerful crane. It may be compact, but its strength is unbelievable, proving once and for all, size means nothing when raw power takes over. Let's talk about the Mercedes Unimog. This beast makes the toughest terrain look like a stroll in the park. With unstoppable power, it crushes obstacles like they're nothing. This machine redefines what it means to conquer the wild. Taking down tree stumps is no walk in the park. Sometimes you've got to admit defeat. But not today. We've got another shot, and this time we're going all in. Watch as we turn a tough battle into a triumph. Meet the powerhouse of the industry, the Pond Elephant Forwarder. Designed for the toughest terrains and steepest slopes, it's a force to be reckoned with. Unmatched power, precision, and productivity. This machine is what every logging operation dreams of. We're taking a step back in time to a historic sawmill that's been running for over 120 years. These steam-powered machines, once the backbone of the industry, are still working like a charm. It's a testament to the grit and ingenuity of those who came before us. This isn't just chopping wood, it's artistry, precision honed over years. Watch as our lumberjack master moves with steady hands and absolute focus. One wrong move could mean disaster, but this isn't his first day on the job. Think you could match his skill? Grab your chainsaw and imagine yourself here, in his place. The CAT 345BL isn't just another machine. It's a tree warrior with 345 horsepower of unstoppable force. Imagine yourself in the driver's seat, facing down towering giants of the forest. Nothing stands a chance when this powerhouse is on the job. It's like bringing a heavyweight champion to a knife fight. Ready to take on the wild? Here's the Woodland Mills WG-24, built for one job, to annihilate stubborn stumps. Its 24-inch flywheel, armed with 34 unforgiving teeth, grinds deep, leaving nothing behind. Picture a clean, hazard-free landscape, perfect for your next project. What would you tackle with a beast like this at your side? Unbelievable! It's like Lady Luck herself was steering the wheel. Every moment was a close call, teetering on disaster. Watching her magic turn this around felt like witnessing a near miracle.
Yeah, you got a bore cut.
This DIY chainsaw mill takes creativity to a whole new level. With minimal materials, it transforms into a powerful tool, perfect for any hands-on enthusiast ready to tackle timber work. Ever thought about building your own? Imagine the pride and power you'd feel as you bring it to life, cutting through the wild.
I'm all right with that. Just a test run.
Chopping firewood just got a serious upgrade. The Halverson HWP 140B slices through logs effortlessly, turning hard labor into a quick job. With hydraulics this powerful, it's less work, more reward. Imagine spending your time fireside instead of breaking a sweat. Wouldn't that be a game changer? A rope may seem like a simple tool to guide a tree's fall, but don't let that fool you. Nature doesn't play by the rules. One wrong pull, and it's disaster. Even the best lumberjacks keep a respectful distance. When you're out in the wild, safety isn't a luxury, it's survival. Would you take the risk? Clearing 3 hectares in a day, no small feat, unless you're in the JCB Excavator. With a 20-ton lift and a reach like no other, it transforms rugged terrain into a blank canvas. Imagine the projects you could tackle with a machine like this by your side. What would you accomplish? Snow isn't just beautiful, it's brutal. But for these pros, every icy log and slippery slope is just another challenge. They move with precision through the winter wild, showing why forestry isn't for the faint-hearted. Would you trust yourself in conditions like this? For them, it's all in a day's work. The NOE NF170-4R doesn't just lift heavy loads. It conquers tight spaces with grace. With 155 tons of lifting power and all-wheel drive, it maneuvers through the narrowest spots. Imagine the possibilities when strength meets precision like this. Ready to see it tackle the toughest spaces. Even seasoned lumberjacks respect the wild when a tree falls. A split-second decision can make the difference between safety and disaster. Out here, it's not just about skill, it's about wisdom. Could you keep your nerve and make the right call? The forest demands respect. The MZ 6x6 is more than just a truck. It's a winter warrior. From icy roads to snowy slopes, nothing stops it. Designed to conquer the toughest terrain, it powers through where others falter. Think your vehicle could handle this? The MZ 6x6 is here to prove you wrong.
Задошили. Чё? Ну там-то ж равно.
The Ponce Bear, paired with its C6 crane and H8 head, is a powerhouse that excels on steep terrain. It's the ultimate combo for serious forestry work, maximizing productivity and performance. Would you take on the challenge with this beast by your side? The investment is steep, but worth every penny. The M35A2 Deuce is legendary, but it's the driver that truly brings out its potential. Navigating rough terrain isn't easy, but in the right hands, this machine becomes unstoppable. It's not just about horsepower, it's about teamwork between man and machine. Ready to see the magic in motion? Stubborn roots don't stand a chance against the JCB3CX. With raw power and precision, it rips through stumps, saving hours of hard labor. Imagine the land-clearing potential with this beast in your corner. What kind of transformation would you bring to your projects? The Komatsu 895 isn't just built for winter, it thrives in it. With power and stability, it handles snow and ice like a pro. When conditions get harsh, only the strongest machines thrive. Are you ready to witness this winter giant in action? Navigating dense, snowy forests takes skill, but the John Deere 1110E does it with power and precision. For these operators, it's more than just machinery. It's their lifeline. Would you brave a landscape like this with only your skills and this machine at your side? Helicopter logging is a game changer, balancing efficiency and environmental care. Reaching remote timber while preserving ecosystems, it's forestry, redefined. Imagine a world where logging doesn't need roads. This is the future, and it's taking flight. A sequoia so massive, it took 2 days to bring down, scarred by fire in Alder Creek Grove. Now, only a haunting symbol of wildfire's destruction remains, nature's final, heartbreaking chapter. Get ready to witness a fearless lumberjill, small but mighty, take on towering trees. Her mastery of the chainsaw is mesmerizing, showcasing strength, grace, and bravery, defying all expectations.
Come over, Chris. Oh, they're big.
This is it, folks. The Savannah Model 1720, covering 20 to 40 acres of land a day with the smallest equipment you can imagine. The efficiency is mind-blowing. I'm still buzzing from this one. You have to see it to believe it. It's the perfect blend of power and finesse. Now we're talking the Unimog U 2100. Like a honey badger on wheels, this beast tackles rocky terrain and uneven ground without breaking a sweat. It's built for the wild and always comes out on top. The Scania R540 isn't just a truck, it's a rolling masterpiece. With its sleek, elongated bed and a cabin that rivals luxury cars, it's built for both comfort and command on the toughest terrain. But it's not just about looks. This beast tackles any challenge the forest throws its way, merging raw power with refined elegance. For those who appreciate the perfect blend of strength and sophistication, the Scania R540 is a must-see. Here's a twist. A team begins work on a towering 100-year-old ash tree. But what they find hidden inside will leave you speechless. Centuries of history and a surprise waiting to be uncovered. Any guesses? Drop them in the comments below. But be warned, this discovery is something no one saw coming. Get ready for a jaw-dropping moment that changes everything. Get ready to witness the Ecolog 590D and its partner in crime, the Tesla 28RH. Turn raw timber into pure art. It's a symphony of efficiency, beauty, and sheer power, working together in flawless harmony. Every cut, every move, is a masterclass in precision. And here's the best part. These machines aren't just workhorses, they're fuel-saving marvels, doing more for less while working wonders in the heart of the forest. This is innovation at its finest. Whoa! That was a heart-stopping moment. A brush with disaster. But thanks to his safety gear, he walked away unscathed. This is why logging isn't for the faint-hearted. Anything can happen. The LKT-81 Turbo was in total control, but nature had other plans. 1 minute, it's a master of its terrain. The next, it's hanging by a thread. This scene will leave you speechless. Nature has a way of humbling even the toughest machines. DIY lovers, this one's for you. Watch a man with just his trusty Toyota Hilux and a winch take on an impossible stump removal and win. It's as epic as it sounds. Take a journey with the Wood-Mizer MP100 as it transforms rough timber into stunning structural elements. This machine is for dream builders, taking raw, untamed wood and crafting something breathtaking. Here's where the real magic unfolds. Massive logs, stripped down and transformed into sleek, elegant plywood veneer sheets. The precision is jaw-dropping, but what's truly mind-blowing? The entire process is fully automated, needing just one operator to oversee this symphony of machinery. From raw timber to finished product, it's efficiency and craftsmanship at its finest, turning wood into pure art with barely a human touch. Ready to revolutionize your landscaping projects? Meet the Vakava Kantopilkuri, a Finnish-engineered marble that extracts tree stumps like it's nothing. This isn't just any tool, it's built to last and designed to impress. From giants that crush through snow to machines that make stump removal look easy, we've journeyed through the toughest challenges in forestry. Which machine impressed you the most? Hit subscribe, because there's so much more to come. Ready to take on the wild with us?